One. Come on. Whoa. That one looks like a cloud. Now moving to F2. Skinny tornado. Whoa. Did you see that? Did you see that? Look. That looks like a real tornado. Definitely like a mini tornado. Moving to F3. Big tornado. Okay, I just covered the sound. Whoa. Holy crap. A figure tornado. Hold on. Let me turn it off. Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you see that? Did you see that? That looks so real. Or almost real. I had this in 2016 for Christmas. Hold on, let me show you guys again. That was so cool. It's like a figure tornado. Never seen that before. Dang. Whoa. Skinny tornado. Whoa. This look like a figure tornado. Or something else. Wow. It's like a small tornado. Now let's turn it to F4. The big tornado. Woo. Yo, that is figure. It's like a super thick tornado that can be dangerous to get too close. Hold on, guys, trying to make you see this funnel. Dang, it's even bigger. You can still see that right here. What if I turn it off? That is like an invisible. I just brought something so you think that would look like a real tornado. Like something to cling with. I'm gonna turn to F5 or EF5. biggest tornado, but it just looked the same, but just a different thing. Let me turn this thing on right now. Whoa, whoa, that is cool. Yo, who ever seen this tornado like this before? I mean, I just put something on it, on something we clean with, like in the house. You can still see that tornado right here, but it's a little hard to see right here. That is even bigger. It's like even bigger, like a bigger tornado. Look at this side. It's like on the ground, but just on those turbo fans, whatever that is. Let's see if I can turn it off. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, give me a sec. And now we're gonna see it. You can see it from here. Hold on, let me turn it back to. Oh, whoa, whoa. I thought it was gonna spill like that. Let me see if I can turn it to F1. Please be careful you try this at home or it might spill to the floor. Let's turn this thing on. I'm gonna make you see it from here. Don't put the phone too close or something else or you might get wet with it, with you. You guys see it? Right there. It's swirling. Is it coming down? Is the funnel coming down? Wait, it is going down. Supposed to be making a hole. Yo, you see that? Did you see that right there? That looks like a tornado eye. That looks like a tornado eye. That's a tornado eye. Yeah, I know that's so stupid a question. I'm trying to zoom in. Tornado eye. That was like a tornado eye. That's a tornado eye. Let's turn this off. And be careful, you're trying to put it too close or it might get this thing wet. Let's see, I can turn it all the way to a fine. Yeah, you can see it's right here. This is like where you clean stuff with it, trying to make it even better instead of regular water. And I just blow it so I can see something even better. Let's turn this on. Boom. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa. Dang, that's loud. That is a tornado eye. Let me clear this up. That looks like a tornado eye. Look at this. It's super thick. I had this in 2016, not 2019. You want to ask those stupid questions. Yeah, this thing's got a little fogging up. It's a little fog. You know, it's kind of hard to see. You don't want to put a hot water or else it's going to make it bigger, make it hard to see. Let's turn this off. It can even put like warm water, not cold water, or it's gonna make that thing freeze, or it might everything go wrong. So anyway, thanks for guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Huh. Very interesting, I think.